Ugh, this smells worse than my socks. In you go. Ugh. Oh, it's a little mouse eating cheese. So cute. I bet he needs a home. I'll take care of you, little guy. Huh? Coming through, mister! Mice can drive now? No, I'm driving! I found him by the trash. He's ours now! The sun's sure strong today. Perfect tanning weather. But it's important to stay hydrated. Yep. Oh no! You're all out of water. Want some? I'm such a good dog, Dad. We're just two summertime buds. Huh? How are you done already? If you insist. Good thing I brought the big bottle. What now? No way! This is all I got. Or is it? I've got a big idea on my hands. Start with wood. Then put double-sided adhesive here. Then stick another piece up like this. Then flip it over. Now for the water. See this sticky Velcro? It'll hold the bottle over the bowl. There! Almost forgot the cap. Let the water flow, baby. You're gonna love this, boy. Perfect for a hot day like this. You're welcome. Whoa! Save some for the fish there. Or not. Whatever. Don't mind me. Oh man! Anyone seen my baby boy? Have you seen him? He looks like this! Please take one and tell all of your friends. Thanks! Come home to me! Ugh. I'll never let that happen to you. I need to put more on your collar. Wait. I know what to do. See this wax paper? Use hot glue to make a glob in the middle. Then add a paper dog tag. Now put more glue on top of it. Don't be afraid to really pile it on. Now just let it dry and put another wax paper piece on top. Press it nice and tight. It's ready! Well, almost. Ta-da! It's perfect! Attach it to a carabiner. Now you can put it on the collar. Now you'll never leave me. If you get lost, tell them to call this number. Now go play! Aw, you're so furry and cute. I love you so much! Aw. Jared! We're gonna rock tonight! That's nice. Wait! Are you serious? Let's bring the house down! Woo! This is gonna be epic! Do we look sick or what? We'll have to fight off the ladies. Let's go. Wait, Mr. Whiskers. Stop! What? I don't want to leave him all alone. Come on, he can come, right? Wait, can he fit in my backpack? First, make a cut. Perfect. Can't forget the chain embellishments. There. And now for the cutout part. What do you think? It's awesome! You like it, Mr. Whiskers? Now let's rock! Woohoo! You ready to party, boy? They like dogs, right? What up? You ready to party hardy? Wait till you see the gift I got you. It's back in the car. Oh no! What? My floors! You've gotta be kidding me! Get that dog out of here! Yikes! That'll ruin the whole party. Unless… have a balloon? Now it's a little doggy booty. Here you go, boy. Looking good. Okay. Watch out for the mud. We can take those off now. Who's the best boy? Happy birthday, bro! No, no, no! Look! Clean paws! See? Have fun, little guy! You know I love my clean floors. Hey! Thought we'd stop by for lunch. Chip, will you hold him? Not there! Only one place left. Mr. Oh, I don't like rats. Speaking of rats, where'd mine go? Ah! You'd get lost in there? Sorry about that. But where am I supposed to put him? Hey! I have a brilliant idea! Got it! Fold the bandana like this. Now take these ends and tie them. Perfect. And that's all it takes. Hey, check it out! It's a little mouse hammock. Think he'll like it? Now you never have to hold him again! Make yourself cozy in there! Now we can get feastin'! Alex? What? What's in there? It's just for you. A new mouse friend! I thought you'd like it. Who doesn't have anywhere to sit? Perhaps we can fashion something. Watch and learn. This puppet serves as the base. Then stick these tubes on it. Every other dot is good. Just around the edges. Almost there. And the last one goes here. Then put another puppet on top. You seeing what I'm seeing? It's a little rat cage! I think you'll like it in there. He seems super comfortable, Dad. But I'm not cleaning the poop. Are you a pet lover? Then you could probably use a lot of these tips with your own fluffy friends. Don't forget to share this video with your friends. Watch these yet? Subscribe to our channel so you never miss out on the fun!